Elevator, baby. 2K15 spring break.
Yeah, we're at the Hilton. Wait, the Hyatt Regency at Huntington Beach, or they call it Hyatt Regency Huntington Beach, California. And we're gonna do.
Oh!
We're gonna do an elevator tour. We're gonna do an elevator tour of this nice little hotel, and we're gonna check out.
Oh yeah. Look at these buttons.
These are Mitsubishi. Every single elevator is Mitsubishi. This is gonna be the best elevator tour that we ever done. The charm is over here. These are Mitsubishi hydraulic. Whoa! Alright, let's get all sitting here. What?
Gorgeous buttons.
Yes, these are Mitsubishi. Hydraulic. Not sure what this key card reader is doing.
Got the phone.
There's a Sprint security camera. Look right there, say hi.
Hello.
Look at shiny people. Oh, going up.
Yeah.
Come on in.
Thank you very much,
What
driver.
floor guys into?
Free.
Thanks very much indeed.
Oh, yeah.
We saw you as we get out. We saw you, we crossed paths as we went down the beach yesterday, right?
Oh.
I know. We're doing nice over tour. Here we have three. It looks like Schindler, but it's actually Mitsubishi. Here's third floor.
Perfect. Thank you.
Heading up.
Brilliantly driven.
What? Beautiful. Is it? Wait, you're pushing up part. What the heck?
Oh my gosh.
What? The elevator click to controller. Look at that. I think we're gonna switch off here.
Wait. Oh, we're getting off?
Jade? Yeah.
Okay, get off.
I know, let's get a nice view of the complex.
Should I stop the video or keep going?
Keep going. No.
Oh.
Perfect timing at the door.
We meet again.
Hey! Do it, Mr. Elevator. Let's have an elevator race. Look at that, it still does the same thing as the other one did.
What?
The indicator blank on that one. That one works.
Dang, that stupid indicator.
Yeah. We go up to forward and listen to this motor. And yes, this, by the way, this is spinal courtyard elevator. I don't think there's any service elevators as far as I know. Watch. Listen.
Beautiful camera.
Everybody say something cute darn. Egg, bacon, grits, sausage.
4. Let's go down to 1 and then
Oh, wait.
and we'll continue with the tour. This place is actually pretty big, but
Oh, shut it.
5 elevators for
Jake,
the guest room floors. Don't you dare push the alarm. I'm not gonna push it. These buttons have California standard. I'm guessing because
What's this do?
I have no idea. It doesn't work.
Don't do it.
Really? It doesn't even work. It doesn't even work.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
Can you believe it?
Yeah. Let's go this way. Look at this, low oil.
Look at it. Low oil.
Come on with me, and we'll actually continue the tour.
Look at this beautiful scenery out here in California. How about
Yeah,
it, Jay?
I know.
Look at that.
It's nice. We'll turn left here. And go this side. We're going this way to the main elevators next. Echoey area.
Oh yeah, let's show them. Let's show them, Jay.
wait for the main elevators because there's
Show him the echo.
Echo! Yeah, this is
Echo here.
Look at this green exercise. It's pretty cool.
That's very awesome. Shitty smoker.
You see? Look at this. This is
Ladies,
Look at this beautiful
ladies,
scenery we have here, folks.
I
listen,
know.
ladies.
This is.
Hey, if there's listen up. If there's any ladies watching this video, go Snapchat Marshawn42, aka Kid Sherrod, Jake period Tony, or Jake.Toddy, all lowercase.
Anyway, we got. This
T-H-O-D-E.
is the really weird complex.
T-H-O-D-E.
You got this building
Back to
and then
Jay.
we walk over here. This is the main lobby area. So look at that nice dolphins.
I love them.
The pool's over there. But this is a really stupid thing because
Look how beautiful the
I
sky
always have
is.
to- every time I come to the pool, I always have to come all the way down here and just this.
Gosh.
This is where I have to come all the way down here. I'm from this side and I have to come all the way down there. Anyway,
I think these lobby elevators are gonna be busy as heck.
no, there's like 4 floors. It's an attraction. And so, one elevator just stays enough to get ready. Get ready for the main elevators. Bam! Here they are.
Look at them.
Let's go down first.
3 of them.
And these things aren't hard to it's down here and going down first.
Let's go, Jay. Go. Go.
Hey, oh yeah, cool.
Oh, okay.
Too.
Oh. Yes. Jay, check out these mirror.
Yeah, these are traction. Nice.
I love it.
You go 4? Watch this. Austin, show that twice.
Whoa. What's that called?
Call cancel feature.
Oh, it's on.
What the heck?
Look at a meter.
Yeah.
What's P2 stand for?
What?
What's P2 stand for?
I don't know.
We're gonna find out.
There's a parking garage, but I don't know what's down there. You hear those chimes?
I love it.
Let's get off here. Check this out. Hey, Grant, it has bumpers.
No, we're not.
Alright. We'll go over that again.
Oh, okay, good.
Watch this. Watch, you got the center
Nice.
and the bumper too.
Dang. This thing's got it all.
What?
It's got it all.
Why?
I seen. Oh.
It's got all the features.
What the? What the heck with that? Okay, we're gonna get off one.
This one's pretty fast, Jay.
Yeah. Who did that? I didn't even do it. Are you still recording? I was stopping.
Oh yes, something's happening to the.
What? Nobody's getting on. That was
That
random.
went away. Never mind. I think it's still recording.
Is it still recording? Let's go ahead and get off here. So you're up to 4.
Send it on up.
We're going down on this other one right here. See? Going down. Take a ride on this one. The hood button works. That one only goes goes up, I don't know why. This is the stupidest layout I've ever seen.
It's terrible.
When we're stopping, yay. Going up.
Hang on.
Going up. What floor are you guys heading to?
4, please.
4.
Thank you.
It's not like vampire.
We're going up to 4. 4th floor. Here you go. That's the door for you. 4th floor. That's the door for you.
Thank you.
Now we're going down all the way down to 1.
Guys, Jason gentlemen.
And we are going down. As you see, we have 1. Now we're going to send this up to 4. And we're going to call this one over here. This one is really, really
I'm sure it'll be so much more different than the other two.
You're stupid.
You didn't touch it.
There we go. This one goes up to 4. I thought they were going to put hydraulic on this one, but surprisingly, this one's actually traction.
Surprising.
Yeah, I know. What's this one? Then we got the conference center to go to too, as well. I'll show you the conference center there too. Probably take another ride on this because it's 4 floors. As you see, we're going up. I don't know, the key card meters used to work, but now they just canceled it. Watch, it has Dover, look at that. The close button works. And Grand now is filming. And we're stopping at 2. Going down.
Jason.
Good, how are you?
Good.
For stuff like this. Yeah.
Got the door for you?
Fine.
We're doing an elevator tour.
Yeah, man. You guys have a good day so far?
We're basically doing a tour of this big complex.
Yeah, man. There's a lot of stuff to see.
Here we go.
Move this out of your way.
You too.
You guys have a good one.
Now we're going up here. And going to the conference center. This place is kind of interesting.
Where are we going?
The conference center.
Yeah, where's it at?
It's outside, where we ate.
Oh yeah.
The conference center just
Yeah,
straight
yeah.
ahead from that.
I'm very familiar with the conference center.
It is kind of interesting because the conference center is actually part of the hotel itself.
So we're going out these doors over here, correct?
Yeah. Pretty much. And now we're going to the left here. Head out this way.
Thank you.
You see, this is kind of like a shopping area, so like you have the restaurant here, and we have to talk over the music, blah 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 blah. Then you got water table, which is compliant, and it's to the right here.
Austin is not a good driver.
Right,
Austin's a terrible driver.
my YouTube account. What? Is just northwest of the elevators, and there's toads. I don't know who were named that.
I thought it was JJ Mod Elevator Freak.
Well, I changed my YouTube name because.
Gotta clarify that.
So there is this conference center, like. So basically, we're going to go in here. What?
Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Grant_Seberg.
And we're going to watch out for this.
GRANT_.
Which way?
SCABURG.
Conference center.
Oh, look at this interesting fountain.
Let's go ahead and go to the conference center because we have an elevator here.
Oh, I see it.
We got like the shopping area for like their restaurant and then shopping and then kind of shopping area over here. So now we're going into the conference center. This is kind of like part of the property.
You get the door for now.
It's like a tour of the whole Hyatt.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's an elevator tour.
Yes. Elevators.
Jay, I was showing this
Elevators and
nice
more.
touchscreen, Jay.
Elevators
Let's
and
go
more.
this way. Fred.
Check
Jay.
the touchscreen.
Check out this touchscreen.
Yeah, it's touchscreen. That's something interesting. Yeah, let's go this way. I want to see alligators.
Jeez, carpet's worse.
Yeah, I don't like it. Carpet's so hard to push in. What are you doing? Let's go the other way around. Go this way.
Why don't we just turn into this hallway?
Yeah. You're supposed to turn around.
Okay. Let's go around. Let's go around this.
Yeah, I was supposed to. Whoa. Anyway, this is like a meeting tour here. This is like the conference center, so. Basically, we're gonna get to the end of the hallway to the left. Right. So we're gonna turn left at the end of the hallway. And then we're gonna head back outside and then get.
I think we should check out the store.
No. And we're going to turn left here. It's definitely an interesting place here. We're going to go straight down this hallway. And then kind of make a left here. Gentlemen.
The people are like, oh, Jay, how's it going? The people are working.
This is like a business center here. There's a business kiosk right there. It's a business center.
chick's foot?
With ladies. Turn left here.
Alright, can't turn right.
And then kind of curve around here. That way. This way.
Bang, bang.
Yes.
Spraying those three walls.
This way. This way.
What's out those doors over there?
Echo. Marines Hall.
Everybody says, let's keep it going. Eggs, bacon, grit, sausage.
Take a left here.
Oh, it's gonna spin.
And this is the elevator that takes you down to Marines Hall. You have the Hyatt Regency Huntington.
Oh, yes.
And guess what kind we have here too?
Mitsubishi.
Mitsubishi.
The Hyatt's,
And
the
this
Hyatt's
one is
very.
another hydraulic.
The Hyatts are big supporters of Mitsubishi elevators.
Oh yeah.
Look at this nice little weird emblem up here.
That's a California standard thing. And then we're gonna head back outside and actually go.
Songbird seems a little sketchy.
Oh. Yeah.
A little sketchy.
This
to me.
actually goes down all the way down to E.
What's E?
Yeah.
What's E, Jay?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's another Mitsubishi.
No, what's E?
Exhibition. E. Let's go up to 2. Now let's close the door first. Actually, we want to listen to the motor, right?
Yes.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Want to take another round trip?
What?
E.
Want to take another round trip.
Yeah.
Only
This is actually a pretty nice elevator, especially for a convention center. It's the exact same thing like at the elevators that we first actually rated. 2. 2. Here we go.
Listen to that motor.
Now we're gonna head out the convention center towards like when we came in.
Let's go. Andale. El Tocino. For any of the, I don't know if we have any people of the Mexican race here, but I have a very good Spanish speaker. Yes, El Tosano.
Yeah. Now we're gonna
I'm gonna eat El Almuerzo tomorrow, as well as El Desayuno.
now we're gonna head this way.
I'm gonna eat a uno hamburguesa and maybe an ensalada.
Now we're gonna go what's in the right.
Chief Keef, bang bang.
This place is really big.
Oh, yes. Oh, French.
Shout out to my friend Mark Haynes. Chief Keef, bang bang.
I know.
You got that great saying.
And then we're head out these doors and then
Where are we going?
going to the right. When we head out the doors, we're gonna turn right towards the bridge. And then there's gonna be another elevator there outside. Yeah, this
We're going all the way.
Get it, Grant.
We're going all the way over to
bridge. A part of it.
Austin's back to filming.
Now,
Oh yes, guys. We're out on the plaza now.
right here.
We're on the plaza. Beautiful scenery over here at this resort.
We got a nice water fountain. Grocery store, I guess. And then we are going to turn right here.
Oh,
And we got ourselves another elevator.
oh gosh.
Right here. This is another elevator. Here at the Hyatt Regency outside the convention center. This one actually goes all the way down, just like the other one, except it goes all the way down to the parking lot. Look at this. Main service. Let's go down there.
Clarify that smell in here.
This is look at this. Rental Plaza service elevator. We're in a service elevator. Can you believe that?
What's that mean?
That means we're in a service elevator. And look at that.
Whoa.
Listen to the motor.
Countdown.
Oh yeah, we got to keep walking motor. This one on P1 and P2. I'm not sure what's on P1.
Also, just since it's been a very long video, and you know,
Well,
I can't
so
tell viewers
close.
about my boogie boarding accident today. You know, I got, you know, my board.
I know
took a little bit of
P2
nose
is
dive,
actually
and,
main service.
I actually ate
But I'm
the
not sure
ocean
it's on
floor as
P1.
my feet were going with the waves. Did a scorpion pose. My back didn't feel too good after that. So,
P1?
you know, the early bird gets the worm. If you'd say, I mean, take it or leave it.
Let's see the scar in the mouth.
P2?
Pretty crafty.
Let's push the door close by. Watch. Door close. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
You satisfied with this elevator? You like this elevator?
Oh yeah.
Where are we going now?
We are going to the Sky Bridge. Or the bridge.
Oh yeah.
That bridge system. And that's the last elevator in this place.
It's been like a 30-minute video.
We got the Sky Bridge.
Very scenic.
I know, guys. I mean, this over could easily made glass.
Could have easily been glass.
Yeah.
Should've.
Could have easily been glass.
And we are going to the Sky Bridge. There's an elevator across there.
No, you're gonna hit him.
And it's kind of death trap.
Excuse us.
Wow.
What is it?
But anyway, we're heading to
Look at those
the
kids.
and we are going to turn right here. And this is 88 Bridge.
Look at this bridge.
Yeah, I know.
Oh yes.
We got another elevator. Let's get us the elevator. Another Mitsubishi. See, like every single elevator we wrote is a Mitsubishi.
I'm considering they
on the same-
at the same hotel. Oh, these are double doors.
Yeah, this is where I can go. This is the beach access elevator for 88 feet wide.
I said we take him down to the beach.
There we go.
Oh! What the heck was that?
Greg, we can't watch this. I will show you something outside.
Oh yes. Let's check it out.
Let me show you how easily this thing can make glass. Look, this thing can easily make glass.
What?
Wait, we're gonna call it back down. And look at this button here.
On the beach here, folks.
I'm not sure what kind of this button is, but it's kind of the Mitsubishi button. It's kind of a weird button.
Here it is.
Ready? Here we go. Listen.
Turn it down.
Sheesh. Let's take another ride of this. Hey, there's a friend.
Maybe this time it'll
Oh,
actually.
hear that bell?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe this time that thing in the door will actually, cause us to.
Now, listen.
Doesn't sound too good.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna be laughing when this elevator crashes.
Watch this. I'm gonna push the door closed right bottom.
That's why I consider a debt trap.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go on one more time here.
Yeah. We're gonna have to be quiet for that.
Oh yeah.
Watch this. 3. Whoa. You didn't even push the button. Just parks.
He didn't push the button, it just went down.
Yeah.
It's louder every time.
Watch this. Okay, here we go. I think share the lady out there. She can't take the out. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna shut her. I bet we're gonna push any buttons.
Yeah, we're gone.
I didn't even push it.
I think that's about the end of the tour.
Yep, that's it. That's the tour.
Say goodbye.
I hope you enjoy it, and that's it.